Spill verb. Examples: he accidentally spilled his coffee on the table. The child spilled juice all over the kitchen floor. Ruin, verb, a noun. Examples: the earthquake ruined many buildings in the city. The boy ruined the clean floor. My new shoes got ruined in the mud. Dispute, noun, verb. Examples: there was a dispute over who should get the last piece of cake. He had dispute with his wife. Moron, noun. Examples: he called his friend a moron in the heat of the argument. Using that kind of language is disrespectful and unkind. Pluck, verb, noun. Examples: she plucked a flower from the garden. He had the pluck to face his fears and perform on stage. Unwell, adjective. Examples: he stayed home from school because he was unwell. He looked pale and unwell after a sleepless night. Delighted, adjective. Very happy. Examples: she was delighted with the surprise birthday party. The children were delighted to receive their gifts. Diligent, adjective. Examples: the diligent student always completed assignments on time. The diligent worker was praised for her attention to detail. Nudge, verb, a noun. Examples: she gave him a nudge to get his attention. The horse needed a nudge to start moving. Lap, noun, verb. Examples: the cat curled up in her lap for a nap. He completed a lap around the track in record time. Timid, adjective. Examples: the timid kitten hid in the corner. He was too timid to speak up in front of the large audience. Funeral, noun. Examples: the funeral will be held at the local church on Friday. Friends and family gathered to pay their respects at the funeral. Cemetery, noun. Examples: the old cemetery was filled with historic tombstones. She visited her grandmother's grave at the cemetery. Demise, noun. Examples: after a long battle with illness, his demise was peaceful. The demise of the old factory marked the end of an era. Versatile, adjective. Examples: the versatile actor could play both comedic and dramatic roles. This versatile tool can be used for a wide range of tasks. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more videos. English class time.